folks. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Washington's housing market to answer one burning question. Could 2024 be the year where home prices across the state of Washington crash and collapse, particularly in metros like Seattle, Spokane, and Tacoma? The most obvious thing to note about Washington's housing market is how expensive it is. The typical value of a home in Washington is a whopping $562,000, making it the fourth most expensive state in America after California, D.C., and Massachusetts. What's really concerning is the affordability index. In Seattle, the average buyer is spending 46% of their median income on housing, compared to the long-term average of 30 to 31%. That's a clear sign of a bubble. And it's not just about high prices. Demand in Washington's housing market, especially in Seattle, is at rock-bottom levels. Home sales in Seattle were down 3% from a year ago and over 50% from late 2020. Fewer buyers mean prices will need to drop to bring demand back into the market. Prices have already started to go down in Seattle, with a 7% decrease from their peak in mid-2022. However, this hasn't significantly improved affordability, especially with mortgage rates soaring to around 7%. To answer that, let's turn to the Reventure app's new home price forecast score. This tool analyzes trends like appreciation, inventory, price cuts, and days on the market to predict whether prices will go up or down in the next 12 months. Another factor to consider is Washington's population growth. Despite a slight dip during the pandemic, Washington has seen impressive population growth of 5.1% over the last 5 years. This influx of people could provide support for the housing market, but only if prices become more affordable. Looking back at the last housing downturn from 2007 to 2012, Washington experienced a significant crash, with prices dropping by 29%. The key takeaway? Prices became undervalued, making it a better time to buy. So what's a home buyer or investor to do? First, understand the overvaluation levels in your area and monitor the direction of the market using tools like the Reventure app's Home Price Forecast Score. And remember, real estate is hyper-local, so drill down to your zip code for the most accurate insights. Until next time, this is Nick from Reventure Consulting signing off. And remember, knowledge is power when it comes to navigating the ever-changing landscape of Washington's housing market. Cheers to making informed decisions.